I wake up early in the morning and I open my eyes slowly. I sit on my bed and check my phone while I feel sleepy. I get up from my bed and walk to the bathroom slowly. I stand in front of the mirror and I look very tired.
I wash my face with water and I feel fresh again now.
I brush my teeth and I smile while looking in the mirror. I dry my face with a towel and I feel calm now. I comb my hair and fix my hairstyle in front of mirror. I choose my clothes carefully from my wardrobe for today. I wear my clothes and I get ready to start my day. I prepare my breakfast in the kitchen and I feel hungry now. I make coffee and pour it into my cup slowly. I sit at the table and eat my breakfast peacefully. I check my phone while I drink my coffee slowly. I take my bag and leave my house with confidence today. I walk in the street and enjoy the beautiful morning sunlight. I run on the treadmill and I feel strong and active now. I lift weights and exercise while I feel happy and energetic. I wipe my sweat and drink water after my workout session. I leave the gym and I feel very energetic and happy now. I walk back home and enjoy the bright sky and fresh air. I enter my home and I relax for a short moment. I dry my hair slowly and I feel calm after my shower. I put on light makeup and I look nice in the mirror. I wear my work clothes and I feel confident and ready today. I take my handbag and check my appearance before leaving home. I leave my home and I smile while going to my work. I walk in a busy street and I go to my office now. I enter the office building and I feel ready to start working. I sit at my desk and start working on my computer seriously. I type on the keyboard and I focus on my work carefully. I talk with my colleague and we have a friendly conversation together.
Hey, it's always great talking with you.
You too. How was your day?
It was good, thanks for asking.
I'm glad. I drink coffee during my break and I feel relaxed and calm. I check my messages on my phone while sitting quietly at my desk. I finish my work and I stand up feeling happy and satisfied. I leave the office and I see the beautiful sunset outside. I walk in the city and enjoy the lights in the evening. I'm so happy to see you. Me too. This is wonderful. I meet my friend and we smile and feel happy together. We sit in a cafe and talk and laugh for a long time. It was just so much fun. I can't wait to do it again. I drink coffee and enjoy the calm and beautiful night atmosphere. I walk outside and enjoy the peaceful night and quiet streets. I go back home after a long day and I feel calm. I enter my home and relax on the sofa comfortably. I watch something on my phone and I feel relaxed and quiet. I prepare a light dinner and I feel a little hungry now. I eat my dinner slowly and enjoy the calm and quiet moment. The quiet is so peaceful. I go to my bedroom and I feel very tired after today. I lie in bed and close my eyes and sleep peacefully tonight.